Welcome back again to the Kepler tutorial video here. On this video series, I will show you how to create midpoint trees within the Kepler program. Alright, we will click on this icon. This is the midpoint icon. There are 4 options in here. When you click on midpoints, it will immediately give you the midpoint tree. You can either click on this again and then go to the next one, or if you right click, you can just right click and it will take you to the same option as if you click in here and you click on settings. Okay, with the midpoints, usually what you want to use are the conjunctions and the square, or just the conjunctions. I like to use the square as well, so I will keep the square in here, and you have several choices of sorts in here. I will just keep it the 360 sort, and I like to have the Sun through Pluto in there, so I'll keep it, and then we will click on here, and then we click on save. Some astrologers, they just want to use conjunctions, but to me, squares are very important as well. So let's click on OK in here, and then it will give you immediately. Okay, on a midpoint calculation, the planet on the top is the midpoint of the two, which makes it powerful. It is the handle. It's the focal point of the two, so it's the one leading the pack, so to speak. Okay, so with this chart, we have the sun in here, and with the midpoint conjunctions with Mars and Jupiter, the same with Mercury. Mercury is very, very strong in here. As you can see, it is at the midpoint conjunct of Sun and Neptune. So this is also Venus on top of Jupiter and Saturn, leading this two, and etc. in here. Okay, so we can, as you can see, you can just click on this again, and we click on midpoint comparison, and it says there are no entries to compare with. As you can see, compare means two, right? Okay, it's that simple. So we just click on OK. We'll enter a second chart. Let's put Michael Jackson in here, and then we put Jackson, comma, Michael. With just the M, you will find him. Okay, and then click on done. Okay, let's go back to Julia in here, and then we'll click on midpoint in here, and let's click on midpoint comparison in here. Okay, so we select Michael Jackson, and then we will remove this, and because it can be a little bit too much, we save the settings so that it's permanently changed, and we click on OK, and there you go. We have the midpoint trees. Okay, so let's go back to the natal chart in here. All right, so as you can see, we have porphyry as the default setting in here. We can change this to Placidus if we want. We click on Placidus in here, or we can go to settings to change it permanently. We can go to zodiac and house system in here. We will put Placidus in here to make it permanent, and let's click on OK. Okay, so let's go back to this icon, and then we click on midpoint, Mankesi midpoint weighting analysis. The Mankesi midpoint weighting analysis is not included within the Kepler program. It's an optional report interpretations that you can purchase. And the next one here is the Gauqueline sector in here, and then you click on OK. You can use both, and then you click on OK in here. So this is the midpoint weighting analysis. These are just the listings, and then you can see we can go back in here. All right, and this is now the Gauqueline sectors. So So that is our midpoint icon. It's that simple. There's 4 choices in here with several things that you can do. And that is for now for this video. Okay, see you all on the next video. I hope you enjoy it as usual. Alright, you take care and be safe out there. Bye for now.